Our Heavenly Father, we come before you today in solemn remembrance of September 11th, 2001.
Today we gather to honor the memory of the courageous individuals who lost their lives while responding to the attacks. 24 years ago, on this fateful day, we unite as a community to pay our respects to the victims, their families, and the resilience of our nation in the face of adversity. The memories of that day continue to resonate deeply in our hearts and minds.
We remember the nearly 3,000 souls who were lost, and we honor the first responders who rushed toward danger, laying down their safety so that others might live.
We gather not only to remember the tragedy, but most importantly, to honor the extraordinary heroism displayed on that day.
It is honor, it is loyalty, sacrifice, and selflessness, which are unique qualities that we must possess to do this job at the highest level. I want to thank the men and women who put their lives on the line daily to protect our city, our communities, our state, and this great nation.